13 easy ways to repair damaged hair with products you already have at home. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more update. This is how to repair damaged hair the easy way. These inexpensive at-home tricks will remedy your damaged, dry locks, leaving you with healthy hair. Repair damage with an avocado. Here's how to repair damaged hair with a common fruit you most likely have in your kitchen. Mash the ripe avocado pit removed with 1 ounce, then apply this home remedy to wet hair. Avocados are rich in vitamins, essential fatty acids, and minerals that will help restore luster to your hair, says Steven Sennett, expert colorist at the Pierre Michel Salon in New York City. Leave on for at least 20 minutes, then rinse several times. Repeat once a week for damaged hair and once a month for healthy hair. These are the absolute worst things that you can do for your hair. Massage in butter. Try this home remedy. Treat dry, brittle hair with a small amount of butter for a glossy shine. Massage it into your dry hair, then cover your hair with a shower cap for about a half hour. Shampoo as usual, and rinse all the butter out. Here's another way to repair damaged hair if you scorched it in the sun this summer. Condition with olive oil. Put the moisture back into dry hair by warming up 1/2 cup olive oil. Do not boil it and then rubbing it into your hair. Cover traces with a plastic bag, then wrap everything in a towel. Let this home remedy do its thing for 45 minutes, then shampoo and completely rinse. Follow these healthy hair tips to prevent damaging your hair in the first place. Rinse with tea. You may think of tea as a sore throat remedy, but you can also use it to give hair a natural shine. Use a quart of warm, unsweetened tea, freshly brewed or instant, as a final rinse after your regular shampoo. Tea can enhance hair color, so make sure to use a tea that works with your hair color. Blondes should use chamomile tea. Black tea may darken their tresses. Brunettes should use black tea to enhance shine and enrich color. This is what your hair is desperately trying to tell you about your health. Whip up an apple cider vinegar mask. This is how to repair damaged hair with apple cider vinegar, a must-have in everyone's home. Put the life back into your limp or damaged hair with this terrific home remedy. Combine 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons olive oil and 3 egg whites, then rub the mix into your hair. Keep your hair covered for about a half hour using plastic wrap or a shower cap, then shampoo and rinse. Make sure you stop believing these 5 hair myths. Make a shampoo palette. Mix 1 egg with a small amount of shampoo, then apply to your damaged hair for 5 minutes and rinse well. This treatment helps to enhance the protein in your hair. These are 38 secrets your hairstylist won't tell you. Treat with botanical oils. Available at health food stores. Olive, jojoba, and sweet almond oils are all wonderful elixirs for damaged hair. If your hair is thick and heavy, coconut oil works well. Dampen your hair and apply small amounts of the botanical oil until your hair is thoroughly covered. Top off with shower cap and warm towel for about 30 minutes, then rinse and shampoo your hair out. Try sandalwood oil. Mix a few drops of sandalwood oil with a few drops of olive or jojoba oil. Rub the mixture between your palms, then smooth it through the ends of your hair for instant sleekness and a way to curb and condition brittle, flyaway hair. Alternately, squirt a few drops of hand lotion in your palm and smooth it through damaged hair. Condition naturally when swimming. Before the beach or after a swim, protect hair from harsh elements or chemicals with a homemade rinse of 1/4 cup apple cider mixed with 3/4 cup water to help cleanse hair, recommends Susie Galvez, author of Hello Beautiful, 365 Ways to Be Even More Beautiful. Then follow with conditioner. These are hair washing mistakes you didn't realize you're making. Wrap wet hair dry. Instead of rubbing your hair after you get it wet, wrap up your damaged hair in a cotton towel, and let the cotton absorb the moisture for a few minutes. This helps protect against further split ends. Use a humidifier at night. Your home heating probably keeps the air very dry, especially in winter. and that can dry out your hair. Putting moisture back into the air will help your hair from becoming more dry and damaged. Let your hair down. If you usually wear your hair in a ponytail, take it out for a few hours a day to give your hair a break. Also, try not to pull hair back too tightly. And never sleep with any sort of accessories in your hair. Eat your omega-3s. Take 1 to 3 250 mg capsules of borage oil, evening primrose oil, or flaxseed oil 1 to 3 times a day. All are rich in omega-3 fatty acid like gamma-linolenic acid, great for keeping hair and nails moisturized, says Kathleen W. Wilson, MD, an internist at the Ochsner Health Center in New Orleans and author of When You Think You Are Falling Apart.